If you're tired of struggling to make ends meet with your regular paycheck, you probably have researched how to make money online. Very often, most people are tired after a hard day's work, and they just want something easy to do for about an hour or two to earn a few extra dollars. Survey websites are one easy way to make a few hundred extra dollars without too much trouble. All you'll need to do is complete a few surveys daily, and the payouts will add up to some extra spending money. It may all sound too good to be true, and if you pick the wrong survey site, that will be the case. The key to making money with surveys is to pick a reputable site. But here's the kicker. Most survey sites are scams, and the chances of you picking one that helps you and is legitimate is slim. Our research has shown that out of the few reputable survey sites available, one was a cut above the rest. Run by Jason White, the platform is called Take Surveys for Cash, and while the name is not highly imaginative, this is a reliable and trustworthy platform that has stood the test of time. It has thousands of members and is just as popular. Let's check out the good points and the bad with Take Surveys for Cash. Here's what you will love about Take Surveys for Cash. There is excellent social proof with Take Surveys for Cash. The official site shows positive reviews from many clients who use it to earn money with surveys. It has also been around for years and stood the test of time, while many other fly-by-night survey websites have come and gone after a short while. You want the best bang for your buck. In this case, you want the best payout for your efforts. Take Surveys for Cash typically pays more than scam survey sites that take a huge cut and pay you a tiny fraction of what you should get. You'll earn much more from doing surveys on Take Surveys for Cash. The product comes with a 100% money-back guarantee. This is a relief because most survey sites do not offer this, and it's a great sign of trust. Take Surveys for Cash has also been verified as a reputable site. There's no need to be a tech wizard to use this site. The interface is user-friendly and intuitive. Most people will be easily navigating the site within 30 minutes of signing up. It's simple to use, easy to understand, and amazingly uncomplicated. With so many choices, you won't know where to begin. There are enough surveys for everyone. You can pick your survey based on the payout value, or you can do surveys that interest you. The choice is always yours. Here's what you need to know about Take Surveys for Cash. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You'll be able to make a few $100s extra or get coupons, but you're not going to rake in thousands of dollars. So it's best to adjust your expectations and understand that while you'll have some extra spending money, completing surveys is not going to replace your day job. Some surveys have requirements based on gender, age, and other demographics. This is usually set by the company conducting the survey and not Take Surveys for Cash. So you'll not be suitable for all the surveys. Even so, there are enough surveys available to keep you busy daily. This is an online product, so you'll need a computer and an internet connection to complete these surveys. A fast connection will allow you to be more productive. Here's why you should join Take Surveys for Cash today. If you're looking for a way to generate some easy side income, you should give this program a try. It's flexible, allows you to work on your own time, and you can make a few $100s a month without breaking a sweat. Completing surveys is easy, and it's fun too. The cash you earn will allow you to pay off some bills, or maybe can help you pay that monthly car payment on time. It gives you that little bit of financial flexibility that goes beyond your regular paycheck. Contrary to popular belief, doing surveys for cash is not a scam. It's just that in the past, there have been disreputable survey sites that have ruined the image of this industry. Take Surveys for Cash has been around for years and is still helping people make extra money every day. Backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose. With nothing to lose and everything to gain, you owe it to yourself to give it a try. Join it today and start earning tomorrow.